Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fun with me. So viewers, in this video I am showing you a different beautiful paper art decoration ideas. Paper art for frame, different beautiful and stylish to art decoration. You can see it is very amazing and stylish paper art decoration ideas, and I hope you like it. Then you like it, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. And you can see more videos, then press the bell icon and share your friends and family members. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye, see you soon.